Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to send iMessage with invisible ink. First of all, go to your message app and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send iMessage with invisible ink effect. Now tap on this message box and write here your text. And now all you have to need to add invisible ink to the message, you have to hard press on the send button and don't send the message, just tap and hold the send button. And here you will see the effect option opened. Now here you have to select invisible ink. And as you can see, the invisible ink effect added to this message. Also here you will find gentle effect, loud effect, slam effect. So we are going to select invisible ink. Once you select it, now just tap on send to send the iMessage. And as you can see, I've successfully sent it a message with invisible ink. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.